Well, this is what it would look like, the condensation line coming from in the attic or wherever to your, it will either come to your lavatory sink or to the bathtub drain. It's just a line, and the other end that's going up into the attic would tie onto your AC drain. Now this is for the main drain. Now in order to clear that out, there's two ways you can do it. One way is take this clamp off right there, pull your hose off, and then blow air up in there. That is a messy situation because there's going to be a bunch of garbage come out of there and drain into your lavatory cabinet. This would be, and we're going to go up in the attic, I'll show you here in a second, but this is going to be your situation. Now it's not going to be fixed like this because the AC people, they normally don't do this. This is something I kind of thought of, and it's very unique how it works. But the left side goes to the AC unit itself. The right side would go over to your line, either to your lavatory sink or to your tub. Now this can be tied in anywhere as long as you can get to it. Now it's better if you can get to it without going to your attic, but that's with these new houses, that's pretty much, I'm not going to say it's impossible, but it's pretty tough. But if you'll see, both of these valves are now open, and there is no reason. All they had was a blue and a red, so there's no difference in what these do. One of them not high pressure, the other one's not low pressure, so whatever the case may be. But anyway, then we have a standpipe coming up here to the center with a plug that you take off to blow to the lavatory. You leave this one on, turn this one off. You take your I forgot what you call this thing now. Spray gun. No, not spray gun. Spray nozzle, whatever the heck you want to call it. Well, anyway, you get it to where you get a good fit. Okay, you want to get it to where you got a good fit. Put a rag around it or something, because as soon as you pull the trigger on that blowgun, there's going to be all kinds of junk flying out of this thing, including water. But anyway, the air is not going back to the AC unit, it's only going toward the sink. Okay, then when you get that one done, turn this one off. Oh boy. Turn that one on. Okay, this one's on, that one's off. Pull the trigger again. This would clean out the line going toward the AC unit. Now this is the main drain. This is not the emergency drain. The emergency drain you can get to in the attic since you're already up there. Then when you get that done, all you have to do, take your blowgun hose out. Make sure you got the cap on there. So now they're both open with your cap on. You shouldn't have any trouble. Now you have to make sure you glue all these joints once you get this in there, because if not, you will have a leak. This here, since it's threaded, you can use Teflon tape, or there's another way you can do this if you don't want to go through all of this. Okay, you'll be able to distinguish the main line. This is here where this goes in line. Turn that one off to blow that way toward the lavatory bathroom, wherever the case it may be. Red one's on. Blue is off to blow toward the unit itself. And you should always be wearing safety glasses because stuff will fly out of here in your face. So you want to be careful with that. Now, with your air hose, the emergency drain is inside this pan. You want to put it in there. And then you blow some air in there to blow that line out. And also, this is the one from the unit itself that drains into your pan. So you want to make sure you blow that one out too. So you just stick your hose there. If I can get it in there. Okay, there we go. And then pull the trigger and blow this out. It doesn't take a whole lot. And that's really all there is to it. After that, everything should start working fine.